Welcome back to Thuga TV. On a been asked that movie. Well, here it is, part 2 for Bun for Bun. So, if you never watch the first part, you can just click right up. So, yeah, that's it. They want to see pop up. You can just click that and you bring it to part 1. Alright, so there's gonna be a part 3 for it. So, watch this to the end and let me know what you think about this. And remember, guys, if you have any business and want to promote, just hit me up on the number up on the screen, alright? And big up Empress Anaya, big up for sponsoring this movie, alright? So, I want to go over a Vivo. I link them go there in the description, people. Remember, support her on all streaming platforms for music. You understand? Empress Anaya. So, guys, watch the movie. Respect to everybody who will like, share, and comment and subscribe and anything. Alright? Big up. Fire.
Ready upon. Yeah, man.
You say that a team you can link up and talk about.
Yeah, man, yes, you have some money, you know. You're lucky, you know, you're. So we are though.
Right now, I get all of the money there. I'm not even happy right now, I swear, because all the things they go down with my baby mother. No, not my baby mother, not shame baby mother, my woman.
Yeah.
God.
Like you want to breed her?
No.
Oh.
They do want to look at me. I'm from Virginia, man. And she find out.
Oh. Oh, you born business?
Yeah, and she got born me back to my Virginia.
But I born for born that man, a wicked story that man.
So, I know, I'm in love with her every day. She there on my mind. I see her. I know I'm not even knowing for next man over there. I swear to God.
No, I don't see no man over there smart, you know.
You don't see no man?
No, man. What call it, I don't see no man did there now. Man, the woman that push up, man. Make man. You know what I mean? True, so them a
really. And first girl me ever love saying. First girl me ever love so ever.
So all you do, man, you have money and you know, man. So fix things easy, you know.
But she said she don't want the back with me, none at all.
Listen,
run
man,
me.
every woman still the same way.
You know, say, I mean, they pay rent for the run they do.
Yeah. But
and
she won't check me.
come and she push me out.
Alright, but we'll go on now. Easy, you know, that. I fear them go on the lease. I pay, but I fear them go on the lease. So, you know where you go. You have a front place, you have a top.
Upstairs.
Upstairs empty, you know. And you have money and all. Book out upstairs, man, and bring her up there. So you control the lease and all. And change things, man. But get her some little gift, man. Pick her 2 floors. The simple things they use. There is the money get her, you know.
Yeah.
They will spend the money on the rent. So you pick some flowers to give her. Just a thought that count. She begs her now, she upset. But some little small deeds that you do,
yeah,
will make she, because she did that, she have to think about you said we. So you go there, knock the door and talk to her. You know what I mean? You have to face up to her. Yeah, front up, man.
Because friend, I really too go.
You just know to did they know you're out of sight, out of mind. You have to go there, man. So what you say what you do want to do?
Since I say nobody know there, I want to get the front, the upstairs room.
Yeah.
Up the furnished too.
Yeah. And to ensure said, because if you go spend, yeah, furnish. But yeah, if you're booking, I know, I book you like how much book is that time then. More like 10-month bookings. Because you have money.
No, man, don't worry about that. I at least 1 year money.
Yeah, alright, I'm sure what I'm going now. Because I'm done, I give you a bridge in the half, but in a time so strong. Yeah. So, right now, if you want him, because if he came out, you know what I mean?
Because if him go do this, so he not going to
go see him problem again.
if him do it one time with my woman,
You go and do it again.
exactly. So me
And you go and do it with film woman again too.
exactly. And
So-
I really say still now, feel woman, me know really, I'm go over there and things just happen.
Oh. So we're gonna go on now. I go ensure say if you book it, room, we go get him out, give him an eviction notice, kind of on chalk line. From when, right?
Yeah,
So we can
get him out and
we can get him out.
I pay for 1 year.
You pay for 1 year up at the top. And we get one difference man, so we can't lose.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But we get somebody 2-1 next couple downstairs. We just go and lock off it. You understand?
So we say if we can't do to get back here right now, cause as I tell you, a 4 year with different 4 years.
Alright, so see all of these things what you say, to me, you go over there and say to her, so yo, you what? 4 years now with them, you know. Can't eat, me can't sleep, me can't do nothing.
Yeah.
When I'm running the money, I'm money not happy, me dash you some money. Just like I say dash you one world of money, cause woman begs and dash your money, you know. So I dash you some money a while ago. I say, why? In figure say you're in begs. But you give him some little flowers and give him some get him, we can hold a conversation.
She's your girl, she don't really like this flowers thing.
So get her what she like then. What she like?
Money.
Yeah.
Alright, I go over there. You know, I'm left friend, so I go around there.
Yeah man, you just talk to her man. So
Yeah, it's around there.
she did that man, but we tell her where you go to though. Get me the money before you go around there. Go down a
You
bank.
can't send it from my phone.
But do the transfer then man.
Me account number. You send it right now.
Yeah man, send you over to the account there. Yeah man. The key up our house, because I just go over there, so I blow down the key up there right now, because I clean up down there. Up there to make everything run up. You know?
Alright, so me send it.
Yeah man.
Check your
Alright.
account.
So I'm go there now, I'm go link. When I go on, I'm link him
Yeah.
and give him an eviction. Because I have 2 bad thugs up the road. And then I make evict him out. I have to move out fast, because I don't have to move out because he's not appearing on time.
Yeah.
I have to move out now, quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna check her now.
Yeah man,
So-
check her and like me say, the place vacant today downstairs. Me I send you your friend.
Yeah.
You see her street and talk to you about it.
So I can get the key though.
The key up there.
Key up there.
Yeah, come here, clear up that while I got my tell say key up there.
Alright.
So just go up there man and check your interest, everything good.
Ah.
Yeah man.
Bernie. Just give me 1 second.
Oh yeah, dear.
Just give me 1 second.
1 second for what?
We just come for a 3 months now since everything happened. I mean I tell you so we can't do this no longer. We can't do it longer without you.
You can't do it no longer without me. Look here.
Just come on. See there you get back at me, you bond me with my friend. Everything can squid so just make everything squid so do me a big.
You not say if you come back here, not throw a fear place this year. You not say put you out. You know what you do? You can't even know what you do me, right? Just leave me to her, please. We can't talk to her
Just
right now.
calm down, now calm down me a big.
Alright, that's all water I should dash by you.
Alright, yo mess.
Look up further.
We there for over 4 years with the relationship I go good. I see to the girl that go on the front of the yard and she to do with me and take me. Me never want her. I go check my virgin and she take me.
So
And
baby
things
come
just
along.
happen. She just happened 1 time me go.
One time.
I just one time.
One
and
time you go and breed somebody. Me
and
idiot.
I know me.
She
You
so
know I love you, I never cheat on you.
also she put pitney in her belly. Me a idiot.
You know understand what me say. Let me tell you how it go, because you never get the full understanding of how things that mean. You just make things, everything does that mean fast. Let me tell you how it happen. I go over there the day, I go check my brethren. That's a papa, right? I go over there. Then she tell me, say, if not did it, so she want a bed broke in her room and she there screw up here. But Papa never did it. So I go in there and I try to help her screw it. When we take a chair, rub down my back and I play, you know, then we them, and then we just go in her bed and then think, one time we do it.
And she breathe. Yeah. And you never think about me, say me they hear and me would have find out, and you still hide it from me, you know, tell me, and me have to find out, eh?
Because I know if you find out, you would have.
So you ever hear anything where there that must come alight, so you should tell me. At least me could have look back and say, alright, you tell me.
I dare go tell you, but I never find it right time, never did it yet. I tell you nothing yet.
Well,
right now,
I just want one more chance.
Me move on, me move on, you know. Me find somebody else.
Me move on till.
Move on, man. Who you have?
I true I say you move on, me no move on. You see now, you see?
Don't play with me, no. Oh, so trouble left you now, you have to run up and
me no move on. Me just say something because me know say you no move on neither, you just a chat. Because me Rasta, me pay Rasta to watch over you, me watch over.
Where you pay man for watch me for? You see you? You want
just to make sure you not do nothing.
We think about it. You know what?
You think about it,
we think about if we get back together. I'm not going to pay nobody if you watch me. Force me to have a mother come over here. Eh?
No man can come over here.
Not through a fair place. When you breed with woman, you know, you lose all rights to your side. I'm going to tell you that, you know.
Listen me, I say now. That girl, only thing me give her a money for the baby. I'm not even show you for my baby.
So you're she that day?
No, me and nobody that day.
You try to make sure.
There ain't nobody that day. So I think about what I say. We get back together.
Yeah, we think about it.
Alright.
Leave out of the side.
So now go, me I go.
Go on now.
It's difficult.
yeah, me say now. I go want you out of the front room immediately. Yeah, man. You want to pay first and last? You don't want to be your last. You and your girlfriend need to move out. Alright, I'm going to send to the bad boys in here. I'm not going to attack. I'm going to send to the bad boys in here, alright? Stay there. Don't move out, here. Stay there. I'm going to send my son and to and Bridget come. Alright. Don't move. Alright. Yo, pencil head. Oh, your father talk on the phone, man. Me tell him I change the chip. Yeah. So I'm not going soft, you know, one boy. Just this a father, you know. You know my house and I tell him to go suck out. You know. Yeah, they're sitting there. Yeah. See, I'm here. All my baby mother and say, you know what to do? That your mother in this one time, one go in this situation. Alright. Yeah, man. The boy want fish off of me to him have a duck. Alright. That will fix that. Hear me now. You take time with the door. Here, come.
Sorry.
When the friend, you rent a house, yeah? Like how you slam the door a while ago, do not slam the door them in there, so. I know why you slam it down for the inch. You're like you're well strong. What is that?
Sorry.
I want you to go there.
You're my boyfriend.
Oh. So you party in there?
I'm the work, no, I'm the work.
So you're going to trust you?
Mm-hmm.
So go and do everything, go and look for the place yourself.
Of course, that's why I need my man to be trusted.
Alright.
I like it here though, it's a really good, nice place.
Me like it here too. Yeah, but yeah. This is the front room. You come furnishing them.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
Include light and water?
What light, water, everything.
AC, hot water?
No, fan.
Fan?
You have AC, but do not touch it. Okay, if you touch the AC, you don't want to see bill go come. But if
But you say include everything.
in everything there, light. So the last 10 and 20 there, when if it them fast, then they fall in clothes, you can wear clothes if you want to.
No, I don't wear unless something.
Them have to run. I did my coach. One chop on one video last night, so let me tell you. So. But the place good though.
Yeah. Wow.
No, because I have a brand to ensure say it good. So when your man there and I do it good, good. So I have test it them. Put walk see me about my ass up. Take a put up. So yes, I'm do it and then.
Butterfly answer?
Yeah, that means the room good.
Wow.
Watch out. Solid.
And me and my head boyfriend well active enough, so no, here you go.
Don't take it a while ago. Where do a while ago?
You know where
Me see a bumper goes up.
No, you don't worry about it,
Like yes, I make it water, make it rain.
That's that. I
Alright.
love the place though, really love the place. You see, everything is included.
Yeah man, you have the kitchen down there so. You have to walk on the road there. You have kitchen down so.
I'll check out the place.
Yeah man, I think so.
So I just share the kitchen and the bathroom.
For now, you're not sharing with nobody.
Okay.
Because the next people them the upstairs. We say something that when I'm back, but me put them upstairs and now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because shh, when I chat them business. But I want piece of bun for bun there. This a front room yeah, hot, back room hot. That the one that bun, that one that the one that bun, that one there. So be a bun for bun for bun till the place almost bun down. So me say bun it down yeah, so not gonna further with it. I mean send the one, I keep one upstairs. So me say, me look fine.
So like in I mix to
no, me never get none. Cause me never in there still, brother.
You don't get it, you don't take it, we get it though.
If you get it right now, wait.
Hey, Rasta, calm, Rasta, you have to go back on the road.
Oh, but alright, but if you
Thank you.
if you feel titivated,
No.
you have my number. Hey man, they work at your time. I can drive the fast car, zoom, come pick you up.
Man is a madman in the Rasta,
No.
I'm not going here.
When in there work, you can there work. Extra money. You put one tattoo for your body, write my name, Panny.
He's a very, very bad Rasta man.
No, I good. Alright, so you get the key. Come on, I want to left for the key. You know.
See, I chat me on it.
Alright, see key here. When the deposit they give me already good. So when I move in and go and do thing, when I rent time, me check through. Me now come to unless you call me, you know. If you call me, I will come.
And if you keep my one, me call me if you come.
Yeah man, if you call me, I come.
Alright, alright, Rasta. Let me ask them. Alright, Rasta.
Alright.
Yay, babe. The place is lovely. I think you're gonna like it.
Come on, I like it. It's a far.
So, let me show you, babe.
Wow.
Okay, so this is our room. We have a whole around your stuff for ourselves. Let me show you the kitchen, babe. And the
Well, look
bathroom.
beautiful like how you are.
Yes, and yes, baby, you know her bed settings come down. We have to go on the bed later. Yeah, this is the bathroom. So you know a lot of weapons and stuff goes on in here. It's all thing come down, babe. And here we have all that in your stuff for yourself. And you know, say, you know how your stuff go already.
Like how you place big and nice. You understand?
That's big. You know what I'm going
I'm a virgin of car. I'm so calling much.
Babe,
I like how you place big though.
Babe, what
Yeah,
kind
sick. Oh, I'm a friend man. See, I'm a friend of car man.
You sure?
Yeah man, so man. When me come
Just
out
a
and
check.
come out the Saudi and walk around there and lift you up, you understand?
Yeah, babe. So
Oh, let's go watch the
I have
TV.
one of the kitchen over there, so you know the kitchen, not much more going on in the kitchen about cooking. You know, yeah. Come me door open.
You want to come in?
Yeah, man.
It's still alright, this one. Think you're
Come
alright.
on, do for this work.
Think you're alright.
You give me new work?
Think you're alright at the job, I'll do it.
No,
You
sir.
pay still.
Remember that we come over after that boss. We come over after that boss. So I'll give him back a chance.
You know, say we don't call it today on Thursday, come over. But I think about it and yeah, we give up one chance. But if I ever mess up this time, just know say me I cut off your head.
Just listen. This time, I got different. I come to talk to you. I get a room. You get to a new room.
You want a new place?
Yeah, so now I go there so again. Now we start fresh. I overeat my bridging, which part many human did this, but you know, did that again. In gone, left the
So
car.
because of the place they have to pick.
No, because I want a nice place and I downstairs now.
Oh, upstairs. Upstairs, that's true. We never go there, but we're saying room would nice.
So I go start fresh. And this time I tell you, nothing now got I tell you the honest truth. Nothing really now happen, I tell you. Cause 3 months there when me in there, it's like a hell. I pay back suit me if I buy and be. You don't even know, I got you well with 3 months, past 3 months.
Well, we kind of only 2-3 months them we in there for. You know, me alone there here, me not nobody. You sometimes me cook and me a waste food. You know, say if you did there, then the food they would waste.
What I say about I tell you, I change now. See, back then I used to cost about grocery and what if I want anything here, anything you just tell me.
I'm ready, no one go breed me here too, so.
You want to breed it here?
Yeah.
Give it to her. Much is Thuga.
Yeah, what do you know?
Buy it here.
You really change it too?
I change, I tell you honest truth.
Now, when you
can't lose it
because
again.
this money you give me so fast.
You
You
can't
got
lose
mumble
it
about
again.
this and that. Alright, true, yeah, look me back now. Yeah.
No, you see, yes, you know, you tell us I'm change,
I
just
do
believe me, man.
You know,
You
say,
change fully.
me just take mix with you for you, but me can't really mix with you for long. Because look how long me had.
No, 4 years long time. And me can't just forget boy, so I just so.
You can't forget boy in here just so.
So I go buy a ear now.
Yeah?
I hurt my dad was still, so I say I can't buy his it.
Say, you want to come over in your place, so.
What time now?
Yup.
Let me see.
Later when I come from work, we can come over there and pop up some clothes.
You know where?
Yes.
You sure?
Come on,
Alright,
I'm
things
come.
you come, when I left work, I just go up to them, yeah?
Call me when you come back.
Yeah, I left work. So you can just pack up a thing them and come up the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Alright then.
Yeah.
See you later, yeah?
You change it too.
So far, everything is okay, and I really like the place. You know, the place is good, it's quiet. You understand, no noise in here, no bag of violence, and this is somewhere where me here for the forever. And the next thing, I like the relationship as well.
Yeah, I like the direction it's going in.
Yeah, and I'm glad to know say we're there 1 year now, and things take time. And I go good each time. Understand? Each day I get up, just love you more and more.
I'm seeing the improvement and I love you even more too.
And I want the relationships to go even more further.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we could work on other things because there's always room for improvement.
Sure. And yes, where you come from and how far where you come from.
Oh
You know?
my God.
Understand?
So
And
true, babe.
same like how we get a place here, so I same way too we can work together.
And get our own place.
You know, I think
We
it's the
always
way me
think
I
alike, I know,
I
babe.
think it's the way me I think when I like that boy. One thing though, you tired me out.
You you never talk. You come and stress out girl body. Nice
no,
body,
because
body.
as me gate, so you get around 2 hours, me done so not even 5 minutes rest already again.
You know, some man nice, but I must find a man attractive.
Yeah, me know, but it's
you know,
all the time you rest, so when you on your period, but otherwise you want every night. Don't know.
Yeah, you're supposed to work your jack of all trades.
But everything okay, so we'll just kick back and watch to TV.
Play it back, babe. Play it back.
Are you made us say, oh, 2 minutes for a see you. Like, you change your mind.
You don't something about me, babes. You like, you didn't see text look for your phone?
No, I'm not on the internet.
Oh. The internet up here?
I'm not have it coded, I'm going to text him. I'm going to get it coded. Oh boy. So this is a new place, you know?
Well, camera.
Yeah. Think I laugh. Think I have to secure. No, laugh. Think the same place furnished. I just want to thing to deal with. Fix up on something.
You like it? So kitchen better than the old one that we did have?
Yeah, bigger kitchen, you know. And I know outdoor settings. So look at. You have closet and moving.
Oh, in this one?
You have closet and you understand, so? So we can deal with what we are dealing with.
So it's true you cannot come over here?
Oh, we just have to get the place today now.
Oh!
We move get up here.
Dave's really proud of your upgrade like that.
This is just a new starting. I tell you.
Like
And enough things are going. Because I even want me to fly out in the future.
Where's it to me?
I want me to fly out in the future. Enough things. I plan enough things. Because as I said before, I change and I change.
You see, babes, I don't have to talk no more.
I change.
You really change, babes.
And I because I love you, you know. Just because I love you, I change.
You know, say it's up here nice, you know. Me always hear you talk about the room. But we never know say it's up here nice.
Up here nice, and see on TV and something.
We got TV, pan wall and... Yeah, one good.
Yeah,
like
so,
it.
you know, Christmas will come and everything. So, you know, the year.
Because me must tell us say I told them I go to my ear.
Yeah, let's go back to the year.
Yeah. Two should I deal with somebody, so you may have to get the girl.
Oh.
You just want to eat some sharp bread.
Oh, some food to eat. You can't cook.
Yeah, of course. But babes, I like a kitchen stock, so you're not prepare for me.
Yeah.
You see you?
I 2 pound of flour alone, I buy and 3 pound of chicken. I don't buy not much really like that. Is it?
Me put on something, man. I do something.
I go hold a fresh then.
Alright.
Yeah. So we can. Hold on, I call fire first. Call fire, call. I make you know, see me there and is it? So you think I can max up your flour and chicken?
You do curry chicken, eh?
Alright, let's see curry.
No curry. Brown spoon.
The brown soup, some sugar in them. Now no brown, but it's sugar.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going to do the same. Curry. So I'm going. But they're up my house now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm moving now, so.
So you're not moving now, you're good.
Yeah, we get back at work, and we get back at work.
So I saw that one that thief. But I know them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I live at Petersfield, like Rasta man, Richard. I know them man, Richard Brown Flins.
Your face
Boy,
is
why the
familiar,
big boy at thief? Big boy at thief, so they do.
Oh, that.
Yo, father. Where say I go on now? Oh, the thing they reach. Alright. Yeah man, me I come check him and make me go feed and come back. I'm kind of needy, you know, because my home and there, you know. We have to consume food in our house and the things I feel in our house. So I afford. Alright. My friend just called me a while ago. Me and him just pick up our money from somebody. We don't go work out the deal with it.
Yeah.
So we are going to pick up right now. So maybe I'll go for 1/2 hour or around hour. I don't know.
Alright, well, just be safe on the road.
Lucy, we are going to collect the money.
Alright, be safe on the road.
But you didn't say you don't want something in the shop, but you say you don't.
Oh yeah, maybe grab something on the road for
So walk with me sit down.
Alright, baby. Let's
Look
go
on the
ahead.
TV.
Yeah, but I saw the guy face look familiar.
Yeah man, we know them man. No matter when we did live up so and them we did live near them when them that film movie and so. We never know say them have channel.
Yeah, come inside the face definitely look familiar.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
go babe.
Well like I'm more than one of them though, cause we know Thuga TV too and so.
Yeah, yeah.
You see? But the water though, me did come earlier on the water. You know see the water running in the pipe. How that go?
Oh, there's a pump going on the back, man. There's a pump going on the pump on downstairs and the pump the water up.
Alright then. Now check on.
Ask the people them downstairs, them have an idea because the plug them to turn on the pump. Alright?
Alright, may I do it now?
Yeah, man, yeah. Good news.
Alright. No water. May I check downstairs and say some people downstairs.
Oh, I'm on the place.
Yeah man, no fire. May I check downstairs and see we can get the pump to
Alright,
because I need to
I
get the water to cook. May I come? Come here. Are you there in here, sir? In here, sir? Are you eating up there?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Just recently moved here.
Fire did I say like through no water now there upstairs. So you know if I the pump turn and find there.
Come on, come turn on for inside the bathroom side.
Oh.
Come on, show you can come.
Yeah. No one coming here, nobody.
No man, come on. I plumber them send you.
Me a plumber, but I mean the upstairs. I mean rent upstairs.
Also, if me have any drippings or any leakings, they can come fix it. Like, so you have extra lumber and stuff like.
Yeah, me I upstairs.
Okay. Come on, let me show you one more.
Yeah.
Alright, this one I see to turn on the pump here.
Oh, that switcher.
Yeah, one is for the light and one is for the pump.
Okay.
Alrighty. So what's your name? We can call it plumber.
Yeah, this guy say plumber.
Alright.
So nice to meet you. What's your name, bro?
I'm Chosen.
Alright,
Nice to meet you.
May I go back upstairs though, because my girlfriend up there.
Alright,
She said now I get no water for cook.
Alrighty, it's good to know. Have a nice day, but take care now.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Next time.
Alright, we'll talk. It's good to know I have a handsome plum on the block. Take care, bye. Nice seeing you. Is this somebody?
Yeah, Mrs. Virgin, Mrs. down there. He said, I'm going to turn on the pump now.
Me know some people live downstairs.
Yeah, man, Virgin down there, man.
Malone?
No, very Malone down there, but I'm Virgin, Mrs.
Oh.
I'm a whole fresh and I can't start.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't go work. I see a hot gun.
You don't go hurt, man, I feel good.
So I flew your cage.
You look so.
Me have to run down the go in town and go to pharmacy and get 2 pills for you, yeah?
Alright.
Soon come back. You take one money out of your wallet, yes?
Alright.
Yeah. Yes. Soon come back, yeah?
Yeah.
Knock knock.
How that?
Your neighbor. Hi, you were sleeping? Good day. Sorry to wake you up. I was just wondering if you could lend me some ketchup, please. I'm cooking and I'm limited on ketchup. That would be really, really nice.
Man, two of them, you can't take that one.
Okay. Oh, you're so considerate. Thank you so much.
Man, that would be
And it would be nice for you to drop by sometime and catch me up, you know?
Listen to me.
Don't worry about it, we'll get there.
No,
we'll get there.
Nothing going on part with me and cheating and one bogus, you know. I'm not going to beg you. Don't make my woman see her rub them down. She gonna, she gonna pharmacy. So, now wait till she come back and hit her.
I'm gonna reach that bridge real fast. So take care. Thank you so much.
Woman a problem, you know. Trouble.
For yourself.
Trouble no be, you know.
See ya.
Alright.
Babes, come sit up and get one floor relief or something. Right pharmacy. How you feel? We'll get some water for you.
I'm going to use the bathroom here.
Alright.
So babe, I need something mushroom.
Up to your
Stomach. Belly hurt, but I forgot right now.
Just no mint tea bag no there.
We can't wait for the tea now.
Stop at just be if I make there and get one tea bag.
Meet up at the gas station and see what the tea. You would do?
Yeah man, it's so late.
So I cook.
Fried chicken and baked chicken. So chicken
Alright, just no money for me no much. Just tell the lady out there shop out there so just tell her every gear you want and come now and
the
pay.
favorite.
Yeah?
Alright, babes.
Alright. Wow. Call on the door. No man, come up here now. Me no want none, cause they don't mess up. You hear me?
Babes, we need not go out to them.
You better make sure.
Go on, babes. Who will come up here?
You downstairs.
So if you come up here, I mean, I come up here too. If you, I must you come, I don't know him, I never see him.
Okay, better not see him. You hear me?
Don't
not see him.
Come go on and work, I'm jealous.
How are you going to tell you on your phone?
Just a browse.
Huh?
Just a browse through the internet, want babe.
You sure you don't have somebody that talks up on your phone because I come out and just put on your phone, sir?
Baby, no, I don't have nobody. If you want to check the phone, you can check it.
No, I'm
like,
not a phone searcher. Because I'm not going to search you something. And when I say something, I go to earth. You say, better I'm allow you alone. But anyway, me I say,
trust me, right?
you see, as I see the phone, something does forward to my mind. And here what I go on now. You need to give me a help in a relationship. Because me understand, so me a man, so me supposed to be push out 100% effort to make sure say you eat and have clothes. But by any idea, you can't just stay alone and have all that pressure upon me. You have to try help me. See, me get a call. As me get the call, I'm go for money. you me I spend it back pan. Look for my ear. My ear want do. And me I make sure say me I sort out you first. You see your clothes, make sure say you get it. You see you want this to eat, me I make sure say you get it. You need to try get a work and try to help me. Because it's hard for me. What happened? A foolishness me I thought you just I look for me so what happened?
I wonder if my ear good. I wonder if it really ear good because my eyelash one do see them then them I drop off. My hair one do one that down to one of your ear alone one do. I wash your clothes and make sure see your clothes clean. I cook for you. What you mean? What you mean?
You wash my clothes,
If me
yes.
wash your clothes and everything and cook for you, if me every time you work, tell me how that work out. Tell me, may I listen.
So when I get work, you can't tell me say you not get day off. If I have 1 day off.
1 day, so 1 day for week you eat, babe?
What?
A 1 day for week you eat?
No, you see when I get work, I mean know say you are work and me a work, at least me can look for no say alright then. Me there most of the time, me take up cooking or more we buy food or something or we hire somebody for cook. Because if it was we at work,
and you have a woman.
but if it was we at work and you there on the road and me there on the road and when you come in you go tired, how it go work? We have to get
But that's
somebody
the
to
whole
help with.
point of you providing and I take care of the home and of course when we make a family.
Yo,
that's the whole point of a woman's job.
Yo, you know I'm talking nothing no more here right now.
But anything you're willing to do and next man willing to do.
All you do, you just
can't
get up and sit down
from
on the
them.
meter. See there? You sit down on the meter right now.
Oh well. Might as well start vlog because that lips still paying me. I can do my hair, my lash and all these things.
Everything good, man. No, that's a thing. Do ya?
Yeah, whatever. Do your thing. Whatever. You won't pay and do next time you do. That simple. Fine good too. Look how long they have a faithful to you. And just for you to look once to work. And make sure see your woman alright. You come in a long talking to you.
Hello, sir. Are you living over here, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm a new tenant like you.
Oh, more use it, the water, but no water and go. I think are you on turn on the pump?
Yeah, man, you can turn on if you but I'm not it alone, I want to turn on it.
Yeah.
I want to turn it on too.
You put turn on the pump for me, please, because I want to cook.
Hi,
Right.
how are you?
Alright.
What is your name?
Diana, my name.
Oh, I'm Mr. Turnout.
Stop. You see, the one nowadays, that's how no one come sweep up woman off of their feet. Anyways, I pump more, you turn off me, please.
Not turn on it, man, but put my number in your phone, man, me can take time, text and talk. Man.
No, I'm boyfriend, me live with up there, so.
But me live with for me woman to your boyfriend now if you know nothing.
Yeah.
Put the number in my phone, man, and text me, man.
No, I can't do that. Your mother and man kill me.
No,
Yeah, turn on the pump for me.
I'll turn on the phone, man. By the time you come back, everything.
You know, come back down. Or me go to the shop. But just when you turn on the pump for me.
Turn on it now. Like me, I say, I turn on.
So go on and go there now. Me not hurry but me want the pump for you.
Alright.
Alright.
Hello, young man. Hello.
Good evening.
Good day. You look like a very strong young man. I beg you, please come lift up something inside to me. You look like you can manage the job.
Oh,
Hey man, help yourself inside. The grill is open.
okay. So, yeah, I was to say, you're good?
Remember
You like it so far?
Yes, man. It's a very, very beautiful place.
Okay.
How's your day going so far? Come on the inside. Alright, you can come on the inside.
Yeah.
This speaker here, I don't know why the heavy. I want you to just put it over there for me, please. Because you look very, very young and strong. So you take your time. I don't want you to hurt your back.
Oh, this is
Yeah, over here. Take your time.
Go ahead, I go to play music.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep a little party. You'll be invited.
I'm
I
going
want you to
to
come.
birthday party.
You come here. It's my birthday. And I want you to come. Let's come to start from here.
No, me, man,
It's okay. Oh, better than I expected.
Oh boy.
No complaints, because you had fun in New York. I loved it.
I'm going to make there with me cook.
Come, let's go. I loved it. And I'm gonna walk more. So no worry about my man. Come, we want to come kiss you. But I'm not man. Alright, I'll be with you. That was nice.
Oh boy, I'm tired, man.
I look so tired.
Tired.
I don't
You don't want to know what kind of work we just do. Here work, me just have work, so.
You meet you today, no? You downstairs. I want cool you.
Oh, if you meet, me tell a team there, so. Or if you go meet, or you meet you.
So, babes, if I want to pump it on and if you want to run in that place, I have to go down there and ask somebody down there. And plus, I will go to shop to the same time.
I'm going to be there.
Alright.
You don't cook and stuff.
Yeah, food in there.
Alright. Why some work, me just put on my work. Work, you know, see that time I come here, extra time me over.
I say, I wonder if something there
You
for you.
overwork, man. You work, watch out. We just have work, alright, man, I'll be there.
No, the food come up under it for the table.
Just have work, so. More work till later, you know, but let me cool down. That's nice, it's a good look. Yeah, grow up, so look on that, you know.
Yeah.
Nice, you know.
Hello, good morning.
Bye.
How are you guys doing? So we will love it together.
Yeah, thank you.
Want me, alright?
Give me there, but I'm good, alright?
Yeah, man, the girl look nice, man.
Got to
Yeah,
know,
man.
you know?
Yes, man.
I go past some moment now, just cook.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll cook.
I talk about cook, babes.
Yeah.
If you get to go on and mommy did tell me to come for our money. This will come back. But take out the meat in our fridge. Put it in our sink to out.
Alright.
You buy some peas for the road, some peas not there, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man. Jordan.
Hey, what's up?
Couldn't wait till she got man. She was there.
Hold on, just kind of clean. What is this?
No, they saw some fireworks earlier.
Can you see some flowers?
Alright. Two can play that game.
Oh boy, it can't work, you know, man. You don't work, so.
What's the fuck? See you later.
Alright. I beat that one now. Cha-cha. Man, woman, come see me down here, so. You're dead. Alright. Whoa, later.
Later, honey.
Babes, where you come from? Nothing can go nowhere.
My guy, boss, call man, so my girl and they go check him, you see it. Peer me on there, I'm tired. was so tired. I'm back again, because I'm growing there. So I'm swimming. So me I go, listen.
Oh.
So me I go.
Alright.
And me I go so. I saw P.A. cement.
So maybe one whole
And so night time me I go so. And I throw cement. So my back like it pull out.
I'm be there and go.
Alright.
You look tired.
I'm tired, man.
Yeah, man.
No, I tell you no that, man. I'm tired. You know, say boss, you call me, you know. Because I tell you, say, I'm not going to work already. Some more not going to work.
I'm going to be at BM, so I'm going to be at them. I'm soon coming.
Alright.
I look on you.
Alright, well, you get the pizza and something.
Yeah, man, everything.
I come back fast, though.
Yeah.
Alright, when time I go, you know, on the truck, just come and some go up on the truck.
Oh.
And then jack me up.
Go on, man. Go to bed.
How long time you come back?
No, not a long time.
Oh, yeah, come. Alright.
Babe.
You just come back. Can I do that for you? Me just stay until I watch TV.
That's a come on, side.
Start watching me.
You miss me? Oh my God, miss me. I have to come hug me up around 2 days.
How was it? How was work?
Work.
Talk to me.
It was hard, but you know, I have a little cash in my pocket and everything.
That's good.
So,
Okay, now I run out of few stuff now.
yeah, I know nothing there now, so me I go do it now. Me I go and shop. I just don't find out where they don't. So me don't want to tap and go buy something, you know, and that's the way I want now. Come here, go back and shop.
Well, differently from the stuff I don't want at the house. You can just grab me something simple on the road to eat, like fried chicken food or something.
Oh, so you know, if you cook today, well.
You want some soup? Feel some chicken,
Well,
chicken soup.
I drink some on the road this morning.
So what you feel for them?
Well, right now, I'm gonna consume some rice and curry chicken.
That sounds
And after I'm done eat my food and relax, don't put up on my backers.
I know that that come. Alright, babe. So,
Did I get this up now? Come back.
yeah, please be safe on the road now.
Alright, so.
I'll catch you look at 5 in the meantime.
Yeah, man, just get ready because.
Be safe on the road.
Alright.
I mean, man.
Wait a second.
How when me not see this a girlfriend me I see how
No, you know, somebody did go on like a 2-day record. I just come off and still. She asleep, but I don't know if she a fake sleep. So something I have to take her and talk. What me, man?
No, so you remember other day when that tell me say you want to turn on me and something.
Alright, that's another man. Mine affect you want to set me. Mine and my woman get close and you want to set me up in a minute.
Yeah, man. Yeah, she did about one time me and she talk. Go by bush now.
So all of a sudden me did ask for your number and you want to do nothing else now. Yeah, hello. I don't like them something because I never there. I don't know how close you and my woman be.
Me and my dog close. She didn't even know me one time me and she was talk. Time and things change, you know. Just go by bush, you know. Oh, you know.
Shot me
okay.
Come.
You know, come back to me, alright. You go over the first still, because I know what you can see me.
You make me not even can bother go and shop right now.
You know, see a plant lava. Just come link up again, man.
Alright.
Yeah, are you?
So how you did I go in? How much I go in?
Are you me out country?
Yeah. I hear them there right now.
Wow, what happened?
Me shot man, make me could go back and shot. I swear. No man, I run, me have to run, come back man. You know far me I run from, you know hill, if you go over the shop.
Yeah.
Over there me I walk, me just
you
see
say,
a shot and dog, a bark and so me have to just run and come back right now.
So you not get something?
No, me not get nothing babe, I swear.
So you alright though?
Hmm?
You alright?
Yeah man, alright, me all the tired. But me have to go get up. Me have to get a beard too. Cause me sweat up.
But babe, I want.
Why it look around? It make me tired of fear.
Wait. So babe, how you smell? So
no man, actually me sweaty man. Me tell her how far me a run from. Me a run past the gate a while ago and come back up. Yeah man, I sweaty man. Me a beard and come back and lie down and get the rest and then.
No babe, go in beard and come back and spend time.
Me a come here. Me out.
What's going on?
Dad.
Yeah, you?
Listen.
How you feeling there? How you look so?
Just a look.
A long time I see you just look nervous so.
Well, I come to tell us say can't go do with little thing gas no more. You have to go far out because my woman I don't know if she watch me, but my woman not cheat, she not cheating thing. Right? So if she go catch me and cheat and now the whole world dead. To burn it down to the ground as them say it, I go burn down flat. So she can't catch me here, so. Right?
No, man catch me either, Lord Jesus.
Exactly, so yeah, my God, I go rent for a little place. So when we are going to do a little
thing. So we can more ramping. Private and have more time for ramping shop business.
Exactly. So.
You can't get a little hug, nothing. Yeah. If you keep it on, okay, keep it on the down low.
Keep it down low. But I'm going to rent a place though, so we can go there.
And call me, because we need to organize everything.
Yeah.
As a long time, I don't want to spend more time
there.
there.
Close the door, if you're not them sitting there.
Yeah, no, long
time. You're not them sitting there. Alright.
Alright, we'll do this again.
One data. I know say the eye see you from one and the eye see the data look fresh. How you come from, mama?
Where you have a rasta?
You know see?
Which part home to see? I ain't have no locks for your head.
Yourself, mama, and everybody have locks. A rasta, you see me? Me and a rasta, me a dread. Now you see me without locks. I don't worry about that, mama. Sometimes I listen now, you see in the daytime the locks disappear. So when you reach night, the locks appear, so you might not see me with locks and I say, yo, me's not a rasta, but I'm not a rasta, I'm a dread.
Oh.
Yeah, when I say that, one of them days when you come up on the hill, may you sit down and eat some ayala loot. You love unkin, you have to eat up the unkin and them things, mama.
You may have okra up there too?
Then I right there, I don't do like the slime, it's the eye
But
yeah,
you don't have to get them come over my place, because I'm not going to nobody place. They have a nice place.
As me I say, the okra look so nice, but I not too like no sliminess in the eye mouth. Let's see it. So you have to just, alright then, mama, bless up.
But me see you again, me with
alright.
Alright, I want some okra.
Alright, take care, mama. Silly look.
Yeah, guys, I reach the end of the movie. Who not reach the end now go see this? Watch me and scratch you off. Hold on, guys. If you ever did this cell phone, take out it right now. See the number here, guys? Here it is. This is the number. So you just scratch it off. So if you get it, please comment down below in the comment section so I can pin a comment. Alright? See it there? Just scratch off the digital creditor. Just scratch off. It's a $200 top up. So comment down in the comment section. If you get it, let me pin a comment. And thank you for reaching the end. Thank you. We're gonna do a lot of surprise giveaway like this. So stay tuned.